Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or be discussing with you how to fix Snapchat device ban. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to remove the device ban on your phone from Snapchat, well, there are a few things that you need to know here. Now, the thing with Snapchat here, if you went against with their community guidelines, or if you've repeatedly gotten notifications or warnings about certain behavior inside the app, there is a big possibility that they would actually ban your device. Now, usually, device bans only happens if your account got, let's just say, banned a few times, but again, you were able to recover it. But then again, you did something against Snapchat's community guidelines again, well, typically your device would be banned from then on. Now, a few things that you need to know with device bans here. Now, this is directly from Snapchat support. Now, the thing with device bans here is it's something uh, uh, permanent. So sometimes it is temporary for certain accounts, but for certain accounts, it is you will not be able to reverse it. So meaning if you try contacting Snapchat support, they will not be able to help you unbanning your account. Now, if this is actually temporary, what you just need to do is just wait it out, and typically you'll be able to start using Snapchat again. But if it's a permanent ban, well, the thing that you need to do here is you need to start using another phone or a new phone. So this is the only solution that you can even try with Snapchat, because again, it bans your phone directly. Now, the only way for you to start using the same device in order for you to start using Snapchat again on the same device, well, you may need to spoof your phone, but that's not recommended because again, this will expose your phone on different vulnerabilities. You may even get hacked if you try doing so. So that's why using a different phone is the right and the best option that you may want to do in here. So unfortunately, that is the only way for you to fix this problem. So Snapchat is really taking reports or even bans seriously here, and that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.